Introducing the new Wellmark.com, redesigned with our customers in mind. Right from the homepage, you will notice a clean layout and simplified navigation. Improved navigation, separating shopping pages from member pages, making it easier for visitors to seek and find information. The secure login experience isn't changing. Users will continue to access secure accounts in the same way. Improved search functionality with filters and autocomplete suggestions help users find what they need even faster. And whether on phone or desktop, pages load faster, so users can get to what they need when they need it. This is more than a new website. It's a smarter, faster, more connected experience. Explore the new Wellmark.com today.